Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the altimeter on your Nixon Regulus Expedition watch. So this is pretty easy, as with most things on this watch. Right now I'm in the main timekeeping mode. The altimeter is basically just a mode on the watch, and the way we get to that is we press the bottom left button. That'll take us to our modes, and then you can see there's time, navigate, and altitude. Altitude is going to be where you would be using your altimeter. I'm going to arrow down to it using the right up or down buttons. And then I'm going to press the mode button to select it. Now the first thing you're going to see whenever you go into the altitude mode is it's going to show you your current altitude based on the altimeter reading. You can adjust that if you know that it's off. So I can press the right up button or the down button to go up or down on my altitude. If you want to just confirm that what the altimeter is reading is correct, you can simply press confirm by pressing the mode button. And you're basically in your altimeter setting. There's not a whole lot of options on this. The only thing you're going to ever see is you're going to see your time and you're going to see your current altitude. And then as you move, that altitude reading will go up or down. You can press any of the other buttons while you're in the screen. It does nothing. The only one that's going to function is going to be your light button, which is over on the top left corner. You can leave it in the altitude mode as long as you want to. There's nothing that's going to ever push you back into it. There's some other watches on the market that if you go into your altimeter, after a while it'll put you back into your regular mode. Not on the Nixon Regulus Expedition, it'll leave you there, but when you want to go back to your regular timekeeping mode or a different one, you can simply press the mode button, again, arrow back up to time, press the mode button again, and you've successfully exited the altimeter. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.